Hello everyone, I'm so excited about this video because today I want to talk to you guys about something that I often get asked and that often pops up in my DMs. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Ava, an internal medicine hospitalist and a coach. I often get asked, how do I do it all? How do I become confident? Well, grab a pen and paper, sit down, because this video is a little different and we're gonna have a real talk. There were many times that I have felt a deep fear of not being present in my family's life. When I first started medical school, the level of difficulty and the fact that I was away from my family so much really made me miss home. And on top of it, it was very hard. It was harder than I'd imagined. I didn't think I could measure up to it. My first few classes were so difficult. I was like, what the heck? How am I gonna do this? It's so much information, so much to retain. And when you are emotionally missing home, sometimes you don't even have the capacity and the space to even focus, because all you think about is how you want to see your mom, how you want to see your grandparents, how you want to be at so-and-so's wedding. Everybody's gonna be there. You can't go. You are really sacrificing a lot. I remember at some point I called my mom and I told her, look, I don't think I could do this. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this at all. Luckily for me, I had her who had gone through it because she's a doctor. So she was able to push me, tell me, look, you can do this. We're still going to be here. Nobody's going anywhere. We're here to support you. And I kind of pushed through. Maybe you don't have that someone saying those things to you. Maybe your family thinks you're crazy to go through with this. Maybe the people around you have no faith in you. So I want to tell you that even though you see a lady sitting on the other side of the screen that is confident, that is a doctor, a mom, a wife, and wears many hats, I was not always this person. I was pushing through, not even knowing if it was going to work. I was really taking it a day at a time, not knowing if I was going to make it. I didn't even know if I was going to make it all the way through graduation, much less residency, but I had my family to support me. Even if your family does not support you, you need to be surrounded by people that will. You need people in your life that will push you, that will help you, and that you can lean back on. Because I have been through it and I know the importance of it, I can tell you that if it wasn't for the support system around me, even friends and colleagues, I don't think I would be here today. If you need someone to be that for you, comment below because I want to hear from you. Spread the word by sharing this video and get more uplifting content by subscribing to my channel and by clicking on the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again next time.